If you're watching this video, then you must have some interest or at least like to know what the Guaranteed Downline Club is all about and how this platform is going to help you watching this video. Now, before I continue, if you must know, this is a Downline Club builder. What does that mean? This means that you are allowed to generate leads on this platform. You will therefore need what is called an autoresponder to correspond with your leads. All right. This system does not have a built-in autoresponder that you can communicate with your leads. So you would have to get yourself an autoresponder. It could be a Weber, GetResponse, or any one of the popular autoresponders out there. Now, also, there is no trainings in the back office of this platform. So if you join with the intention of learning how to market or learn how to make money online, this program is not one of those. Again, this is just a downline builder. So this would be a link right over here. So once you promote your link and people join this platform, you will therefore have the option to market to those leads. All right. So I want to be very clear because most people just think that once they join the system that they will be immediately making money, because once you sign up, you immediately get $5 in your back office. All right. So again, this is a money making system. This is not an online marketing training or platform where once you log into your back office, you will have videos and step-by-step on how to go ahead and create yourself an online business. This is not the type of platform. All right. So again, this is what your back office would look like. And below this video, once you click on that first link, you'll be taken to a series of videos on how to sign up for this platform, what your back office is all about, and how to drive traffic to your link. So again, if you would like to be a part of the Guaranteed Downline Club, if you would like to learn how to sign up, what it can do for your business, and how to drive traffic to your links, then I highly recommend you click on the link below this video. All right. So until then, we will see you on the flip side where I elaborate more on how the system can be beneficial to you watching this video. All right. So we'll see you on the flip side. Thanks.